So I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions of billions of different AI agents, eventually probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
That future isn't just theoretical anymore. It's already beginning to take shape in unexpected places. Because if AI agents are destined to scale into the billions, they'll need a way to interact, transact, and operate autonomously without constant human oversight. And that means more than just intelligence. It means economic independence, and that's exactly where AI technology is heading. It's late 2024. At Coinbase, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency companies, something subtle but quietly revolutionary is about to happen. Inside a quiet office, a small team of engineers sets up an experiment. They're testing something that sounds simple but could have huge consequences. Can two artificial intelligence agents, fully autonomous, communicate, negotiate, and exchange value on their own? Not just theory, real money, digital dollars. More than a simple experiment, this was a demonstration, a signal that we are entering a new age. An age where AI and blockchain are converging to unlock extraordinary opportunities in the global economy. An economy where AI agents can pay on their own without asking for permission. Where AI becomes an economic participant on the same level as real people.
I think the progress that you're going to have with agents over the next year or two is going to be spectacular and surprising.
For a while now, it's been clear AI agents are here to stay. But for most people that are just starting to explore artificial intelligence, the journey begins with a single tool. ChatGPT. You type a question, you get an answer, and just like that, it feels like the future has arrived. But what we're witnessing now goes far beyond that. Before we go further, let's take a step back. What exactly is an AI agent? Are we sure we understand it?
And what an agent is an AI that actually completes a task. You ask it to do something, and it doesn't just tell you how to do it, it does it for you.
Let's break that down with a simple example. Imagine you want to book a flight to New York. If you ask ChatGPT, can you help me book a flight from London to New York? It'll give you a list of steps, maybe even a few links. It can guide you step by step through the process, but it still needs you. You're the one clicking, confirming. That's not autonomy. That's assistance. Now imagine the same task handled by an AI agent. You give it a specific instruction, book my flight, and that's it. The agent searches for flights, compares options, selects the best one, and sends you the reservation all set, ready to be purchased. No back and forth, no extra steps, just results.
We are going to have AI systems clicking around the internet. And this is, I think, the most interesting and consequential safety challenge we have yet.
And that's exactly the point. These aren't just smarter chatbots, they're autonomous systems designed to understand a goal, make decisions, and act, all without human oversight. They can navigate apps, fill out forms, request services, and over time, they'll start replacing not just repetitive tasks, but increasingly complex jobs as well. And that's exactly why what happened at Coinbase matters. Because what has been tested potentially unlocks new opportunities for AI agents. Not just the ability to act autonomously, but also to pay autonomously, to perform transactions, and to become full participants in the digital economy. Let's go back to that moment at Coinbase headquarters. At the beginning of the experiment, there are two AIs. Think of them like two smart assistants. AI number one needs to analyze a dataset to complete its task, while AI number two owns that dataset. One has something useful, the other needs it. AI number one realizes this and sends a request. AI number two receives the request, agrees to share the dataset, but only in exchange for payment. Then comes the most important part. AI number one sends the payment. No humans are watching, no one clicks a button, no credit card forms, no invoice to approve, just one intelligent agent paying another, and just like that. For the first time ever, software paid software, with digital money, for digital work. No app, no bank, no human. This single moment quietly opened a door to something bigger. A new kind of economy. One where machines can act like clients, like vendors, even like businesses.
It's obvious that agents will be a part of our future. It's obvious that we will give them agency to transact for us.
During this experiment, two key things happened, and they will define the potential of these technologies in the years to come. First of all, the AI acted with autonomy, and second, it handled real money. They are stepping into the real economy as active participants, an economy where billions of microtransactions are made between AI agents. Each one small, fractions of a cent maybe, but together they form the digital blood flow of a fully autonomous marketplace. But how was all of this even possible? All of this became possible thanks to the convergence of two powerful technologies shaping this century: artificial intelligence and blockchain. AI gave machines the ability to reason, to learn, and to act. Blockchain gave them the infrastructure to transfer value, to execute agreements, and to do it all securely without needing human oversight. Together, these technologies created something we've never seen before: two independent entities communicating and exchanging value on their own. It's the beginning of a new era. But how did the AI agent manage to pay the other AI agent, completely on its own, without any human approval? The answer lies in the blockchain technology, specifically the smart contracts. A smart contract is a computer program that lives on a blockchain. It's written so that when specific conditions are met, it automatically performs an action. Once deployed, no one can change it, and anyone can read it. Think of it like a digital guarantee. If A happens, then do B. There's no need for a notary, a judge, or a bank. It's code. Self-executing, tamper-proof, and always on. Let's go back to what happened at Coinbase. AI number 1 needed access to a dataset. AI number 2 owned that dataset. They communicated, negotiated, and agreed on a price. That's where the smart contract came in. The agreement, the terms of the data exchange, and the payment was already written in the code. The smart contract contained clear conditions. If AI number 1 sends exactly 5 USDC and the data from AI number 2 is available and valid, then automatically release the dataset. As soon as AI number 1 made the payment, the smart contract checked each condition in real time. Is the amount correct? Is the sender wallet authorized? Is the data ready to be shared? When all conditions were met, the contract executed instantly. The data was released, the payment was confirmed and recorded on the blockchain. No need for manual checks, no need for trust. Just a set of rules written in code, running exactly as expected. That's what autonomy means in this new context. Machines that can act without waiting for us. Now that you have all the elements to understand autonomy, we can talk about the second big point: payment. Why didn't it just use dollars or a credit card? Simple, AI agents can't open bank accounts. They don't have IDs, they can't walk into a branch, but they can hold a crypto wallet. They can send and receive tokens. They can use digital currencies like USDC, a stablecoin always equal to $1. With crypto, no one needs to approve the transaction. It's programmable, automatic, and global. An AI can generate a crypto wallet in seconds. It doesn't need permission. It doesn't need paperwork. It just creates a key, and it's ready to send and receive digital currency. That's exactly what happened. AI number 1 used its wallet to send 5 USDC to AI number 2. The transaction was automatic, verified, and recorded publicly on the blockchain. It moved across Base, Coinbase's public blockchain. It was fast, secure, and verifiable by anyone. No human involved, no delay, just machines trading value. That's why crypto matters here. It's not just money, it's machine-compatible money. The experiment at Coinbase wasn't just a technical achievement, it was a signal that we're entering a new economic paradigm. One where machines aren't just tools, they're agents, participants. We're seeing the rise of what some call agent as a service. Instead of paying for a traditional app, you'll rent access to an AI agent that performs tasks for you, and only charges when a task is completed. Need a legal draft, a translation, a design? Your AI finds the right service, agrees to terms, pays a few cents, and delivers the result. What started with one AI paying another has opened the door to a silent revolution. The economy of the future won't just be digital, it will be autonomous and invisible. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. We'd love to hear what you think. Are autonomous AI economies a future you're excited about? Or do they raise more questions than answers? Let us know in the comments. This is just the beginning. We're only scratching the surface of what happens when AI and blockchain come together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, from Vision Economy.